This weekend has been pretty crap so far, especially because I'm not feeling good, so I apologize if I sound all nasally and I don't sound as sexy as I usually do in my videos. You know what I'm saying? It's okay. I apologize. Well, we won, but I'm here to talk to y'all about something. Let me turn this down real quick. I know that there was the recent release of the RX580 and Cyber Monday, Black Friday, which had crazy deals. And more people are finding my video about the Gigabyte RX580 8GB edition. It's a great card. I've been using it in this machine since I switched over. I did a video about that. But one of the comments that I started getting was people asking me, is this card too loud? Does it run really hot? So I got my old man hat on. I even got my PJs on. That's what kind of Saturday it has been. But I was like, let me get in a couple of games of some Black Ops 4 multiplayer. What I decided to do was like, yo, I'm just gonna keep hardware monitor up and the Gigabyte AOR's engine up so y'all can see that I'm running this card in its OC mode at 1355 megahertz. Let's look at the temperatures real quick. The max temperature since I've been playing this game is 74 degrees. And right now, going into a game, as you can currently see, it's loaded. I'm about to get out of that real quick. Is that it's at about 66, 67. It seems to be in that range. Now, here's the thing. I can sort of hear it kind of ramping up back there, but I have noticed that sometimes when the load gets heavy in the game, that card will ramp up super loud. But even right now, the fan started to ramp up and we're at about 2,000 RPMs. Now, one of the guys suggested that I try it in PUBG. That's what I'm gonna do now. So let's go ahead and open PUBG and see what's good. All right, folks, we got PUBG loaded up here. I don't know where my man is. I don't know, usually it's somebody here on the screen. Maybe I don't get nobody, but it's pretty quiet in here right now. I can hear two things. The fan on my light has got a little fan in the light bulb, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Oh, did you like that, Cookie? You didn't like that? Oh, okay. And I can hear the fans in my CPU starting to ramp up. What I'm using over here is the Roswell Cullinan PX case. It's got tempered glass here on the sides. It does have some pretty good airflow to it, you know. It's maybe not the best. I do have an AOI in there, and I also have some fans here at the top. As I'm checking hardware monitor, I can see the fans on my GPU, the 580, up at 2315 RPM, which is much faster than it was in Black Ops 4, and it's starting to roll. So let's just jump into a game. What I'm gonna do is in the middle of the game, I'm gonna take this camera down and we're gonna point it right at the computer so you can hear how loud it gets while gaming in an intensive game like PUBG. Let's go ahead and set that all up. All right, folks, as you can see, this RX 580 does get pretty loud when it's under certain conditions. Now, I have to say, it never really got above 75C, which is pretty good. Now, I've pushed it before during synthetic benchmarks. You can check that video up right there. But once these fans ramp up, it keeps it pretty cool. The downfall of that is that get pretty damn loud. You gotta take that into consideration when you're putting your build together. I still say, if you can find this card new for about $180 or less, or even less used, like, you might want to check it out. I've seen these going for about 110, even better if you search the right sites. But be diligent about it and you can get yourself a pretty good graphics card. I run everything at 1080p on high to ultra settings. For 1080p gaming, getting one of these, especially used, man, you really can't go wrong. What you could do is, you know, deal with your case. You know, like I said, I'm using this case right here. It looks nice, has pretty good airflow, but it is kind of open, so any noise from inside comes out pretty easily. And you know, there's different things you could do, or you could get a totally silent case, you know, and take that into consideration. All right, folks, I'm gonna get up out of here. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It's your kinfolk Dookie. Holla at your boy. Go have me a drink. Can I have like...
Makes you alcoholic.